Noong May 13, you're recorded as saying, katunayan, nakiusap nga po ako kay John Consulta na puntahan kami dito sa Sequoia Hotel dahil meron po kaming planning mula po pa kaninang umaga, and you went on to say nandun ka with all the deputy directors, etc. Do you confirm?
Well, nakausap ko po si John
No,
Consulta.
just confirm, sir. Did you say
Yes,
that
I
na
talked
nandun
to-
kayo sa Sequoia? Hindi, yun lang. Yung statement
Mahaba
yun.
po kasi yung statement no,
I just
pasensya
need
na.
you to confirm, did you say that you were in Sequoia?
Yes, I talked to
Thank you.
to
So
John
you are
Consulta.
confirming. Okay.
Yes po.
And then later on, dinagdag nyo, wala kami sa Senado, we are on stand down because that's the instructions. Did you also say that?
Yes po.
Thank you. Meanwhile, in another interview, you then said, mayroon request si GM Veloso to help them secure the area kasi napapansin nila na magulo, labas-pasok. Nagpadala kaming ilan lang na ahente, parang 4 to 6 na tao, na nag-iikot sa premises ng GIS. Hindi pumasok sa Senado. I am quoting Inquirer dated 13 May 2026. Did you say this?
Yes, sa GSIS po.
Okay, thank you. So, I asked now for the kind indulgence. May papa-flash lang ako. It's just a photo, dear colleagues, both parties. Paki-flash lang. So, sabi nyo nasa GSIS. You confirm na nasa GSIS yung
Tama
mga
po.
ahente mo. Pwede magpa-update sa technical, what's going on. It's just a photo. Ito, I'm just showing the Senate website for the record. Senate website. Tapos po, nandito po sa right corner, can you read it, sir? It says contact information. Can you read it?
Hindi ko po
Okay,
mababasa.
paabot ko sa page yung same thing. It is just the Senate website. Page, pakiabot. Thank you. Pakibasa lang po yung address ng Senado.
Contact information, GSIS Building, JW Jokno Building, Pasay City, 1300 Metro Manila, 632-8552.
Okay na po yung phone number, no need.
Opo.
So pakiulit, ano hong building?
GSIS Building.
Opo, kasi nag-iisa lang naman ho ang address namin. Muupa po kami dito sa GSIS. Iisang building lang ho po yun. And for the record, kung saan nakita yung tao mo, likod lang po yun ng office ni Senator Loren Legarda. Nasa video po yun. I will not bother everyone with that. Kung gusto nyo, presiding officer, I can, but for now, I won't. Kasama po yun sa area na inuupahan ng Senado sa GSIS. We are paying rent for the information of all. So, yan po ang gusto ko lang ma-establish. It seems kasi po na you swore an oath, no, to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Is that correct?
Yes po.
Thank you very much. So, sa kaalaman po ng ating mga nanunood at masigasing na taga-subaybay ng mga kababayan natin, Rule 133 on the weight and sufficiency of evidence. Sabi sa Section 1, preponderance of evidence, in determining where the preponderance or superior weight of evidence on the issues involved lies, the court may consider all the facts and circumstances of the case, the witness's manner of testifying, their intelligence, and also their personal credibility. Furthermore, in Section 11 of Rule 132, a witness may be impeached by evidence that his or her general reputation for truth, honesty, or integrity is bad. So, nag-ring na yung bell. I will be loyal. I will follow this na lang. Pero may record pa sana akong papakita. If the body wants, I will show the video na sinabi din po ni NBI Director ng interview, wala pong nasaktan, wala pong nangbugbog. But we have a video. Alam po ng lahat ng mga kasamahan natin na yung OSAA, yung aming pong personnel, binugbog. May video po tayo niyan. I leave it to the body. I leave it to the presiding officer if we want to take up the time of this court to show that. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.